Yeah, I wanted to talk a little bit about the Book of Mormon and DNA evidence that the South American peoples have no Hebraic genetic markers. I went to an anti-Mormon conference in Keokuk, Iowa, probably about 2003. Sandra Tanner, Tom Murphy, several people were there. Tom Murphy claimed that there were no genetic markers, that they were not evidence that the Book of Mormon, the validity of the Book of Mormon, because of the research that he's done. And my testimony, my belief in the Book of Mormon is not because of its historicity, but because of principles, the same as biblical principles. Now, I raised my hand, I sat in the back of the room, and I raised my hand after a time, and he was taking questions, and I asked Tom Murphy how he would explain the blood of Shwm and Japath, the sons of Noah, how that would square with the biblical account of the propagation of the cultures of the earth. The Aborigines, the Pygmies, the Asian peoples, the Caucasians, the Negroid peoples, all these types of peoples, how he would explain that. And he said, well, that's not possible either, not through the genetics that he knows. So, and I saw the people get very uncomfortable with that, like as if you could throw the Book of Mormon out based on the evidence of genetics, but you can't throw the Bible out. There seemed to be a little bit of resentment there. And my only perspective here is that if you're going to use one litmus test over here, you need to use the same litmus test. So if you want to dispute and gut the Book of Mormon and say that it doesn't hold water because of the genetic aspects, then you got to treat the Bible the same way. So this is just my perspective. I just wanted to share that because I constantly hear this argument even from people who know my position, yet they continue to use it to try to get people to leave the Mormon Church. And I understand a lot of the critics' points. However, I think it's disingenuous when they understand that the Bible is equally at risk, and they continue to use the argument of genetics and that the Book of Mormon doesn't square. Thank you.